we have done with our time. It's 6:01. We will start our batch. Today we are going to have a high intense cardio batch. For that batch we just need a normal markers like any home material which is soft. You can have a normal towel, normal napkin or a cushion. If you don't take any markers which can harm you, a plastic material, plastic bottle or iron material. So we will start our batch. So basically we are going to start, first we are going to start with warm up, then our workout, and then we are going to have a stretching exercise. So before that, start warm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, side with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Front back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squat jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chin jumping at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squat jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Twisting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squat jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change. Take distinct leg, alternate toe twist at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Front side back up side, front, side, back, up, front, side, back, up, front, side, back, up, front, side, back, up, front, side, back. Change. Change. Sideways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change. Reverse rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Sideways 1, 2, 3, up 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Shoulder rotation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Okay. So we have done with our normal warm up. Without wasting any time, you just take any type of a marker which can't harm you. We are going to just place a 2 marker. A normal, we are going to take a normal 1 step, not more than 1 meter. Okay. We are going to keep the markers, but it should not more than 1 meter. A normal distance. Okay. First, look at me. Listen my instruction. Look at my exercise. What I am doing. Then do. Don't be in a hurry. So before doing any exercise, just listen my instructions and exercise. So basically we have 2 markers over here. We have kept 2. We are taking just normal 1 step, a normal step. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are going to shuffle. We are going to have a normal short hanging exercise, and we are going to shuffle after 4 counts. We are going to shuffle our movement. So again I will tell you, we are going to have a normal short hanging, and we are going to shuffle after 5 counts. After 5 counts again we are going to shuffle. So we are going to keep the same rhythm. Okay. We are going to do this exercise for 30 to 20 seconds. So be ready, be careful. You should not touch the marker with your toes or your legs. 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1. We have done 6. Again shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, shuffle 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle 1, 2, 3, shuffle, last time 1, 2, shuffle 1, 2, 3, shuffle 1, 2, and stop. Normal walk, between this you should have control on your breath. Again we are going to rebuild our energy in this break. We are going to rebuild our energy. Again normal deep breath. We are going to again look, we have done a normal high knee and shuffle exercise. Now it is quite difficult. The next exercise is quite difficult to do. So again you look and then you are going to perform. We are going to have a normal high knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jump. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every 5 rounds we are going to have a wide jump beside our markers, and again we are going to have a short high knee. Okay, did you got it? So we are going to begin the exercise. Again I will show you. We are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 count, 5, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, get ready, start. 1, 2, 3, faster, 4, 5, jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stop. Whew. So we have done a normal short high knee 4 times, 4 count, and every 5 count we are going to have a side jump, again jump between, again we are going to have, okay, relax your breathing, again get ready, again look. Now more difficult exercise we are going to do. It can be difficult for one person, it can be easy for the other person. So I think it is difficult for everyone. In that case I am going to teach you. Okay, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, jump, 1, 2, 3, jump. Again look, in a slow movement I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. Again I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and jump. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and jump. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and jump. Okay, did you got it? We are going to perform the same exercise 5 times right side and 5 times left side. Okay, now within momentum we are going to start. We are going to start with slow rhythm, then we are going to increase our rhythm. Okay, start 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 1, 2, 5, jump. Again 1, 2, 3, 5, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 1, 2, 3, 5, jump. 1, 2, 5, jump. Again start. 1, 2, jump. 5 and jump. Okay, now we are going to perform the same drill from the another side. Now we are going to have the same drill but with the another side. Again I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and jump. Okay. Now again with the slow rhythm, we are going to increase our rhythm. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump fast. 1, 2, 3, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 4, 5. Jump. Again 1, 5. Jump. 2, 3, 5. Jump. 2, 5. Jump. Last 1, 2, 5 and jump. So we have done only one set. We are going to perform the same drill, same exercise one more time. Only one time we have finished. We are doing this exercise 2 times. So again from the right side of the marker or cone. Okay. Just normally breathing. Breathe, relax. Breathe, relax. Breathe, relax. Okay. Again. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. Last 1, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 3, 4, 5 and jump. Again we are going to do the same drill, but from the another side we are going to perform. So get ready. Start. Going to start with me. Again start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 3, 4, 5. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. Last 1, 3, 4, 5. Jump. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump. Should we have a break? Okay, we will take a break. We will have a break of 10 to 20 seconds. So we are not going to take a more break between exercise. You can have a water, but only one sip of water. Don't drink too much of water. You can have a chest or stomach pain while doing exercise. So don't have too much of water between exercise. Okay. If you are done with your break, just thumb up. We will start the further exercise. Okay, ma'am. Okay, we are not going to take too much of break in between exercise. So if you are done with your break, we will start the next exercise. Okay, if you are ready, we will start the exercise. Okay, up. Now we are going to decrease the distance between the two markers. We are going to just decrease the distance between the two markers. Okay, it is only of 1.5 foot. Okay, so now again look what I am going to do. Listen properly. Okay, we are going to have any 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, don't keep too much of distance. You cannot have too much distance in two markers. So a normal one step distance, 1.5 step distance. Okay, we are going to do 2 step in, 2 step out. So this is called as in out out. In means we are going to tap in and tap out. Okay, start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. So the same exercise. Now again we are going to start again same exercise. Start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. So now again look what I am going to do. We are having two markers. We are going to do frequency to time, frequency and frequency. We are going to keep the rhythm. We are not going to break the momentum. We are going to follow the rhythm and momentum. So again the last thing, if I am going to my right side, then the first right leg should be come. If I am going to my right leg should come. If I am going to my left, then left leg should be come first. Okay, now I am standing on my right side of my markers. So start 1 2 3, again left 1 2 3. Start frequent movement. Start frequent movement. Faster. So the last 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have done a frequency movement in shuffle. So we have done a frequency movement in a shuffle. We are shuffling the gaps we are going to shuffle. So frequency will shuffle again. From the left side we are going to start 1, 2, 3, faster, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. So now we have done with a frequency side shuffle. Now we are going to have a 2 tap, 1, 2, 4, 6. Again we are going to 1, 2, 4, 5. See, several times we are going to do for the 10 times. Okay, we are going to do the same exercise 10 times. Now start with me. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, last one, 1, 5, 6. Now from the other side, the same exercise we are going to do from the other side. Okay. Now start with me. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5. Hand extension 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 4, 6. Again 1, 3, 4. Again 1. Again 1. 1. Last one 1. 5 and done. Now again. Now we are going to increase the distance between two markers. It should be 1.5 meter. Normal. Just keep 1.5 meter. Not how you should calculate the 1.5 meter. One step, two step becomes the 1 meter. Okay. Normal two steps of human. It comes 1.5. Okay. Look. Now again what I am going to do, we are going to do a speed skater, which means the speed skater exercise we are going to do. We are going to cross 1, again we are going to cross 2. The speed skater exercise we are going to do, the speed skater. Okay, a skater, if you know or if you have idea of how the skaters do, that like only we are going to do. So shuffle 1, cross 2, fast 3, cross 4, faster 5, 6, increase the speed 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, cross 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The speed skater exercise we have done. Again, take closer marker. I'm going to stand in middle for 2 marker. I'm going to just 1, 2. I'm going to hold the exercise. Over I'm going to hold my high knee in a movement. So take 1 marker, stand in between, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. While doing this exercise, the hand action also should be in a movement. You should not lock your hands. It should be in a movement. Okay, the last time we are going to do the same exercise. Again, stand in between the markers. Now we are going to do the exercise same opposite side. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now again we will have a break. Again, 1 sip of water. Okay, so Radhika, if you are not getting exercise, try to do. These are the new exercise for everyone. These exercises are new to everyone, every athlete. So in next week also we are going to do the same exercise, same workout. So this is the first phase. Okay, if you are done with the break, we will start the next further exercise. Radhika, don't worry, we are going to have the same exercise in next week also. So don't get worried, we are going to have the same exercise. Try to do this exercise. These are new to you, I know. Okay, I will start the exercise. Okay, we have 2 markers. We are going to just jump right and left. We are going to just jump. Okay, start. We are going to just jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, we have done break movement, break exercise. Now we are going to have this exercise in a fast way. So again, start 1, 2, fast 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. Okay. sir. Okay, now we are going to have a burpees exercise, but we are not going to jump higher. We are going to shift and we are going to shuffle our jump to right, and again we are going to shuffle our weight to left. Okay, we are going to have a normal burpees exercise. Okay, start. 1, side jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, sideways, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again we are going to have the same exercise. So ready? Again same. 1, side jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now we are going to have normal lunge, 1, again lunge, 2, again we are going to touch our leg, alternate, again we are going to increase the distance between the markers. Okay, you don't have to jump, you have to just place 1, again faster, 2, faster, 3. Okay, now start with your right leg and left hand. Okay, start. 1, faster, 2, faster, 3, faster, 4, upper, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So I am going to increase the difficulty level of this exercise. So look, after touching, we have to jump in middle. Again, left side, jump in middle, left, middle, right, middle. Okay. First 5 I will show you. Then you have to follow me. Look properly, listen carefully. What I am going to tell you, we are going to have alternate touch. Again jump, touch, jump, touch, jump, touch. Okay? Start. Again start with your right leg and left hand. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we are going to have a stretching match today. Okay, now again same exercise with different side. First we have done right leg and left hand. Now we are going to have left leg, right hand. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will have a break of 10 to 20 seconds. Then we will have abs variation. Then we are going to have a stretching exercise. We have done with our cardio sets. I think so. The exercise done today were totally new. Variation and varieties. Having variation, new varieties. Okay, you can have a normal one sip of water. If you are ready, just sum up. We will start our exercise. Okay, if you are ready, we will start our exercise. Just sum up. Just fast thumb up. We will start our exercise. We have not yet finished our cardio batch. We are going to have a normal abs variation and then stretching. Then we have finished our batch. Okay. Okay, we will start our batch. Again, look what we are going to have. Now we are having a batch, more batch. Okay, so we are going to just have a V-shape. We are going to take the support of our hands. We are going to lift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, just a normal exercise we are going to do. If you are 2 feet, okay, keep your hands up. Don't take support of your hands. So you can do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't touch your back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now the next variation we are going to touch our toes, alternate. Okay, now to as position, we are going to touch our toes sideways so that our side muscles get activated. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So now again V shape, position, back straight, You're going to hold a V shape, W position, heel up, one, chin up, back flat, don't arch your back should be flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, toes up, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and down. Now again, normal flat position. We are going to have a plus sign, hands on side. We are going to touch alternate one. Okay. We are going to just touch our toes alternate with alternate hand, alternate leg and alternate hand. Okay. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last variation, the crunches. We are going to have crunches. Okay, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't arch your back. 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now we have done with our batch. We will have a normal stretching exercise. Okay, you are having for 2 towels. Just take one of it. Okay, we are starting with our stretching exercise. So 1, pull, 2, 90 degree, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change the leg. Start 1, 2, 90 degree, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change the leg. Pull it to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now change the leg. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now again, touch and go down. Try to touch your head to your knees. Breathe out so that you can touch your knee to your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again, now butterfly position. We are going to have butterfly position. We are going to pull it. 1, back shape. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have done with our stretching exercise. We have done with our workout. We have done with our full whole